Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Go in Freelance, Building and Branding Your Own Success. Lecture 6. Understanding Pricing Models and Fee Structure. Determining your freelance rates and pricing strategies. Negotiating contracts and project terms. Managing client expectations and scope of work. Creating and sending professional proposals and contracts. Conclusion: putting it all together. Understanding pricing models and fee structures. As a freelancer, it's important to understand the different pricing models and fee structures available to you. Flat fees, hourly rates, and value-based pricing are just a few examples. Each has its pros and cons, and choosing the right one for your business depends on several factors, including your experience level, industry standards, and client expectations. Flat fees are great for projects with a clear scope of work, while hourly rates are better suited for ongoing work or projects with uncertain timelines. Value-based pricing is ideal when you can demonstrate the value of your services to the client, whichever model you choose. Make sure to communicate clearly with your clients about your rates and what they include. Determining your freelance rates and pricing strategies. Determining your freelance rates can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By considering your experience, skills, and market demand, you can develop a pricing strategy that works for you and your clients. Start by researching the going rates for your industry and location. From there, factor in your level of expertise, any specialized skills or certifications you possess, and the demand for your services. Don't forget to consider the value you bring to your clients and the impact your work will have on their businesses. Finally, be flexible and willing to negotiate, but also know your worth and don't undervalue yourself. Negotiating contracts and project terms. Negotiating contracts and project terms is a crucial part of running a successful freelance business. It's important to establish clear expectations upfront and ensure that both you and your client are on the same page. This can help avoid misunderstandings and scope creep down the line. However, negotiating can be difficult, especially if you're just starting out or if you're dealing with a difficult client. It's important to approach these conversations with confidence and assertiveness. Remember that you are running a business and deserve to be compensated fairly for your time and expertise. Managing client expectations and scope of work. Managing client expectations and scope of work is a crucial aspect of running a successful freelance business. One strategy for achieving this is to set clear boundaries from the outset, such as establishing deadlines and outlining what work will be covered in the project. This can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that both you and your client are on the same page. Another key element of managing client expectations is effective communication. This includes regular check-ins with clients to provide updates on progress and address any concerns they may have. It also means being transparent about any challenges or delays that arise during the project and working collaboratively with the client to find solutions. Maintain open lines of communication. You can build trust and establish yourself as a reliable partner for your clients. Creating and sending professional proposals and contracts. When it comes to creating professional proposals and contracts, there are a few key tips and best practices that can make all the difference. First and foremost, it's important to include all necessary details in your proposal or contract, such as project scope, timelines, deliverables, and payment terms. This will help ensure that both you and your client are on the same page and avoid any misunderstandings down the line. Another important consideration is protecting your business interests. This might including clauses for intellectual property ownership, confidentiality, and liability limitations. While these can be complex topics, taking the time to understand them and include them in your contracts can save you a lot of headaches and legal trouble in the long run. Conclusion: putting it all together. In conclusion, we've covered a lot of ground in this presentation. We've discussed the different pricing models and fee structures available for freelancers. as well as strategies for determining your freelance rates and negotiating contracts with clients. We've also talked about managing client expectations and creating professional proposals and contracts. The key takeaway from all of this is that freelancing is a business, and you need to approach it as such. That means setting clear boundaries, advocating for yourself, and communicating effectively with clients. By doing so, you'll be able to build a successful and sustainable freelance business that allows you to do work you love on your own terms.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.